Sabi nila dati, pick your battle. Ngayon, pupuntahan natin lahat ng battle.
Totoo. Mandirigma po kami in our 30s. For the first time ever, there's so much lonely men. Kasi ang taas na standard ng women.
Yes.
If I don't get this amount or degree of love, why would I bother?
Man. Oh my God, speaking of pageant era, meron ka bang gustong sabihin kay Nicole when she was 25?
Good job, girl! You better be damn awesome if you're gonna intervene sa life ko at i-accommodate kita sa schedule ko.
Your 30s, the decade where life gets real. Some days you feel like you've got everything figured out. Other days you're questioning your career, relationships, and what you're actually doing with your life. Welcome to Trentitas, your hangout for navigating life in your 30s. A space for real conversations, diverse stories, and honest perspectives about the things we're all trying to figure out. Because the truth is, nobody really has it all figured out, and that's okay. So sit back, join the conversation, and let's make sense of this decade together. This is Trentitas, real talk, good vibes, and life in your 30s.
Yung mga belief mo nung 20s ka na,
Ay, gusto ko.
sobrang wrong talaga. Na-realize mo nung 30s ka na, bakit ba ako ganun? Ba't yun yung mga paniniwala ko ng 20s ako? Ikaw next.
Ako, I learned like a few days ago lang
Ay.
na
Sobrang fresh ha?
kasi
nagkaka-birthday
literal.
ka lang. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Mid-30s.
I think it's also my algorithm.
Oo.
I don't know, parang napasok ako sa space ng internet na puro learnings. Parang helpful advice.
Gusto
Yung
ko
mga
yan.
reels.
Paano
Hindi
ba
na siya
pumasok
beauty.
dyan? Oo.
Send ako sa'yo, Mari.
Hindi,
Tapos
yes.
i-bookmark mo.
Eh, magkakasama na
Kailangan
tayo.
mag-react lang ako ng isa, no? Para
Oo.
nandyan. Para hindi puro shopping yung laban ako.
Yeah. Kasi sawa na tayo sa beauty content.
Tama.
Parang, di ba, for the longest time, fashion and makeup. Tapos
Okay,
ngayon,
gusto ko
parang
marinig
creative
yan.
ng mga tao. Anyway, pumasok siya sa algorithm ko na parang, dati, tinuturuan tayo ng parents natin na you can't be the jack of all trades and master of none.
Yes.
Pero now, kasi na napaka-dynamic nga ng world natin and parang, di ba, with the internet, you can do so much. Yung skills mo, may paglalagyan talaga.
Correct.
Na parang you can be a jack of all trades talaga and master
Anything.
of a lot of things. Na not
Tama.
necessarily like yung super master na definition nila before, but
Right.
now it's like when you know a little bit of something from everything, it's so useful.
Tama.
So,
Diba?
anong learning mo yesterday?
Yun yung learning ko na
Na
parang
pwede. Why not?
it doesn't
Oo.
water down your skills as a person. Kasi dati parang ako hindi ka engineer, you super specialized.
You're
doctor.
Yeah.
'Di ba parang hindi ka ganun ka sa ranking. Pero ngayon parang a little bit of knowledge from everything. Parang you can also change your mind, change
Right.
paths,
Right.
'di ba? Kaya nga parang before parang one-way street yung career mo, pero now you have so many choices.
Pwedeng mag-branch out. Maraming branches. Kaya nga, because she mentioned, and I was really, I'm amazed by seeing on your socials lately na sobrang dami mong ginagawa.
I know,
Sabi ko,
running.
Parang yung 24 hours niya, special child ba to? 28 yung kanya. 24 lang yung atin, yung kanya 28 hours in a day.
Pero yung sinasabi niya, jack of all trades.
Oo nga
diba?
Ano ba yung mga activities
Oo
mo?
nga.
Ano ba? Running, pickleball, tennis. Pero, hindi naman lahat yun ginagawa ko all in one day, Mars.
Kaya nga jack of all trades ka
Pili-pili
naman.
lang tayo, di ba? Pero it's more of, I feel like I do have more time in a day now because I wake up early because of running.
Oh,
So, mas madami akong
mas mahaba na yung
na-achieve.
morning mo.
Oo, baka hindi na ako baby like nung 20s ko na.
True.
Kailangan ko ng mahabang
Tulog
tulog.
tayo buong umaga.
Oo, ngayon oh my God, ito na yung trend tayo era. Na parang, ayoko
I think
nagnanap,
so.
sumasakit ulo ko. Gano'n!
Sobra na yung tulog mo.
Oo,
Di ba? Parang,
tama.
tama na, sakit na ng ulo ko.
Hala,
Oo.
totoo pala yan. Akala ko ako lang to. Pag sobra yung tulog,
Pag
masakit
sobra,
ang ulo.
masakit sa
Welcome to the
ulo.
club.
Okay. That's nice to know.
Pero like kanina tinatanong ko si Nicole, grabe yung figure. Like nagda-diet ka ba? Hindi daw.
Hindi, ano lang, isa yan sa mga gifted talaga.
Yun nga eh.
Mga favorite ni Lord.
Uy, grabe naman. Yung jeans lang,
Marami akong
feeling
kaibigan
ko.
sa binibining Pilipinas na magugulat ka. Akala mo jetang-jeta sila.
Oo.
Ang lakas nila mag-rise.
Oh, the appetite is cargador level.
In-offer ko, gusto mo ng bread. Hintayin ko na lang po yung rice. na yan naman ako.
Diba?
Pero, share ko nga sa kanya kanina yung mga learnings ko rin nung nagpumatak ako ng mga 30 plus. Na-
30-something.
Yeah, na yung nutrition, yung protein,
Oo.
diba?
Yeah.
So parang ngayon,
Yung calorie
Dahil
counting,
dyan,
hindi talaga ako
andito na.
marunong dyan.
hindi pa. Pero like, kunyari, full activity. You eat whatever you want, ganon.
Yeah.
Saya.
The more reason to eat everything you want. Pero mas nagiging mindful ka rin. Like, okay, kailangan ko ng veggies. Ang tagal ko na hindi nag-veggies. Yung mga ganong things.
Right. And lumalawak yung group of friends.
Yeah.
Ang
That's
healthy
true.
din nun. For
Oo.
me, yung quality group
Mm.
of people. Kasi for me, yung mga gumigising na maaga, nag-workout, ibang mindset din yung napipick up mo sa mga ganong klaseng tao. Hindi lang yung mga
Yeah.
friends na lumalabas kayo sa gabi. Di ba? You have friends na sobrang active naman. You have friends, different hobbies, different group of people eh. Unless it's the same group of people that you hang out with in every activity that you do.
Kind of the same. Pero
Okay.
also, like, I didn't think I would find new best friends in my life in my 30s.
Diba?
Kasi nung nag-pickleball ako, tennis, eto recent trip ko to Bangkok, nag-ano lang kami, sabi ko, Pats, tayo, parang nangangati ako. Last year pa ako walang travel. Gusto mo mag-tennis retreat? Ganon sa Bangkok. Tapos,
May
as
ganon.
kalad ka rin siya. Kasi siya naman, she's 40 to single. So, parang, mga not tied down na girlies, di ba? Anytime, pwedeng lumipad. So,
Walang mga responsibilities.
walang responsibility sa buhay. Hi,
Correct.
mom. Hi, mom. Ayun, so parang lumipad kami, book kami, Bangkok. Tapos nag-craft na lang kami ng sarili naming parang wellness retreat. Yeah, so I didn't think na makakahanap pa ako ng best friends through sports because of sports. And also, you get to reconnect with a lot of people nga rin na walang expectations to be best friends naman.
Right.
Pero they are the people you
Connect.
talk to in the morning. Like,
Right.
it's interesting. Yeah.
And isa sa mga benefits talaga being in your 30s. Yun nga, nakakapag-book ka last minute.
Yeah. Well, pero
afford mo
Yeah,
na.
pero kung, like, wala ka pang like me, parang ang saya. Pero now, I have that freedom naman to like travel. Like, ngayon nga sabi ko, punta pala akong Bacolod. Ganon. Pero same with now that I'm out of volleyball, parang ang dami ko nakilala. Ikaw nakilala kita, pickleball,
Yeah.
diba? Pero parang batchmates tayo. Hindi, nag-abot tayo sa Ateneo.
Yeah, pero hindi kita nakita naglalakad sa Gonzaga.
Ako,
Walang
hindi
ganung
kita- hindi
moment.
ko na siya
Siguro
nakikita.
training ka ng
Kasi
training.
super athlete siya.
Yun.
Oo.
Parang ako naman baliktad. Parang now lang ako nag-explore din. After like parking volleyball. And I get what you're saying na yun nga, parang nag-expand yung group of friends ko. Like, ikaw, sila Paul. So, parang, and find best friends also.
Pero how does it feel na nag-start ka early with your family and then now in your
Iba rin
30s? Like, is it a reset ba? Can you get your 20s back in a way? Well, na-curious lang ako. Kasi kami ni Mari MJ,
medyo,
diba?
yeah.
Yeah, it's
Medyo
something
early.
I
ito,
wish.
ito nga.
Okay. Listening,
Yeah.
Mare.
Good question.
Guess
I think baliktad yung akin kasi parang for the last 10 years, I was baby making. Sinasabi ko nga,
Tama.
I was in the University of baby making, baby, growing. So I feel like nandun lang ako motherhood ako last 10 years. But at the same time, supportive si Lino for me to have my career. Pero nung parang na-stop ko yung volleyball career ko, ngayon ko lang na-feel na ang dami kong time. Like, yun nga, as a kalagkaran, feeling ko kung niyaya mo akong mag-Bangkok, mag-tennis retreat, sasama ako sa'yo.
Ay, sure naman ako dyan, pag ikaw. Yeah.
Sasama ako. So, I guess, iba rin talaga yung timeline ko na yung 20s is naka-bubble lang ako sa motherhood
Right.
compared to now na 30s.
Mas free ka na rin.
mas free na kasi yung kids are growing up.
Grown, yeah.
Mas matanda na yung mga kids. So parang, yun nga, I feel like iba rin yung timing ko. So,
Pero hindi ka na-frustrate nun, nung 20s mo, tapos you were a mom already.
ay, interviewer.
Like, sorry, nagtataka talaga
sige,
ako.
go.
Pero ang dami ko rin gusto itanong nga sa
kasi,
kanya. Ite-text
okay.
ko na lang sa'yo.
Pero parang, ikaw, nung 20s, pageant all throughout. Diba? Yun yung
Oo.
mundo mo. So,
Ano, hindi ka ba nainis?
Hindi ka ba na-frustrate?
Binalik yung
Oo,
tanong. Hindi ka ba na-frustrate?
Ito lang ba kaya kong gawin? Ganon.
Pero ako na-frustrate kasi ako. Parang, pageantry,
Oo.
di ba? Tapos nagka-crown na tayo.
Yeah.
Tapos we started our careers.
Right.
Tapos pag-apak ng 27 until I was like 32, I got so
32
much.
ka ba? Last pageant. MGI. How old were you? 26.
Hindi. 24 ako nagbinibini. 24, 25 ako nag-MGI.
MGI.
Oo.
Okay.
Wait, ano MGI?
Miss
Grand
Grand.
International.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, ibang world.
Oo.
Go.
Yeah, so after pageantry, tas career, 27 years old to 32, 33, parang I got so much anxiety with the timeline.
Yeah.
Mm.
Na parang,
In what sense?
I should be settling down.
Yung pressure.
I wanna have a family. Tapos
Was
the
it because your parents are asking you to asking questions like that? Di ba parang normal naman sa province
Oo.
na the aunts, the uncles
Pero
are
it's not
asking.
necessarily because of the parents din. Kasi kung nakita nilang hindi ko naman gusto, they would just let me
Hindi
be.
naman. Oo.
Oh, pero kasi I had a boyfriend that time. Parang, syempre, saan
May
kayo
expectations,
papunta? Oo,
right,
pero kung wala
right.
naman akong boyfriend, I don't think they mind. Kasi they see me enjoying life and everything.
And they're supportive of that.
Oo.
Mm.
So now, parang baliktad na. I'm in my 30s. Kaya
Oo.
natatanong ko rin si Phil na parang,
Since napagdaanan niya na
oo,
lahat. Oo.
na parang, is it something na parang medyo FOMO ba dapat? I mean, baliktad kasi. It's literally
nga,
baliktad eh. So,
medyo maaga si
is it
Phil.
something na parang, trust the timing na lang?
Oo.
Siguro swerte lang din nahanap ko sa Lino.
Tama.
And then,
Oo.
I really wanted to have kids young. Like, ako yung ganun. I wanted
Ever since we're college, ganun na talaga yung
Like,
nasa isip mo. Like, you
parang
were ready.
gusto ko mag-asawa na. Yung boyfriend ko din, kahit ready na ako mag-settle. Pero buti na lang hindi.
How about you, Nix?
Dodge
Kasi,
the bullet.
kasi ako, before, I was really scared. Kasi yun yung turo sa amin. Na parang, pag nag-boyfriend ka, mabubuntis ka, mapapariwara ka. So, in my head,
Sobrang
when I was in
negative.
college, takot talaga ako. Hindi ako nakipag-date. No jowa. Jowa after college.
Talaga.
Oo. Iba yung mindset ko in the province kasi iniisip ko talaga
Pero saan
na
ka ba?
Mindanao. I was in Mindanao.
Okay.
Kaya, alam mo yun, iba-iba kasi.
Iba
Kaya
yun.
wala sa isip ko yung gusto ko mag-asawa, gusto ko magkaanak.
Very traditional.
Oo. How about you?
Ako, tinatakot ako ng family ko nun din.
Mm.
Na yung request nga rin nila is after college na,
College.
tsaka ka mag-boyfriend.
Mm-mm.
Bahala ka na dyan. Pero, ayun, ngayon, I had this big desire din kasi to really have my own family. To heal feeling ko my childhood din.
Right.
Na parang I wanna do things right.
Right.
I wanna do things better. Yung ganong discovery lang.
Do you think your standards are higher now that you're in your 30s?
Yeah, kasi nung 20s parang, cringe,
Yeah.
gano'n.
I don't think
You tolerate
it's either
more?
high or low. Feeling ko nga very, very consistent yung standards ko.
Oh, consistent ever since.
Medyo.
Okay.
Parang I don't know
In
kung standards
relationships?
nga, pero type.
At
Okay, you're
Consistent ako
type.
ng type.
Okay, okay.
Oo. So it's becoming a pattern. Char.
type mo.
She needs therapy.
But knowing, ngayon mas alam mo na.
Yeah.
Mas,
Oo, not necessarily
nare-recognize
naman
mo
wrong.
na.
Pero
Yeah.
feeling ko lang na hindi lang talaga time pa.
Mm-mm.
Pero in my 30s, paano ba? Yeah, I think same standards pa rin siya. Pero I think I should be more careful na rin. Mas maingat when it comes to dating. Pero I know, it's more clear to me kung ano yung gusto ko.
And you have more power on really insisting the things that you like and you don't like.
I think ever since I'm like that.
Like that. Very clear.
Oo. Na
And
parang if
swerte
it's
mo.
not worth my time, I drop it.
Mm-mm.
Kasi parang if you've been through a lot in your life then, you don't wanna accommodate extra burden anymore. Parang bakit ko pa ikakargo yan? Diba? Na parang I need someone to help me carry the baggage.
Mm-mm. Wala nung 20s ako, kakargohin
Ako rin eh. I mean, yun yung gusto kong matutunan.
As a cargador, can I cargo your
Kaya aborta tayo ng 20s tayo
Ako, diba? Cargo your
Oo.
Pero
dilemma.
alam mo yung pattern nakikita ko kapag when we turn in our 30s, parang pinipili na nga natin kung anong worth it. And
Yeah.
yun yung learning ko when I step in my 30s. 30, na parang, you know, I can decide what I want. I know what I want. Na parang, kasi nung mga 20s ko, parang please pa tayo.
Yeah.
Parang gusto mo maging friends lahat.
Tama.
Pero parang
On the
nung
good side of
30s,
everyone.
Oo, nung 30s natin, alam mo nang anong gusto mo, ayaw mo niyan. Kaya I'm impressed na alam ever since like, diba?
Na-realize ko tuloy, ang taray ko pala.
Hindi naman. Pero hindi naman siya.
Pero nga, na-recognize mo na talaga lahat yung mga...
Oo,
Oo.
parang clear boundaries talaga
Oo.
ako. Even with friends. Like, I know na if I don't like this person, hindi ako magta-try mag-place na tong
Mm-mm.
taong to. Pero alam ko kung gusto ko tong tao talagang karga.
Kakargahin.
Kargador.
Nagkaroon ka ba ng mga...
yan?
Nagkaroon ka ba ng mga routines for mental and,
Yeah.
physical
Kasi
nag-
sabi mo na anxious ka nung pageant.
na ginawa?
Oo.
Oo. Na-apply mo na sa sarili mo.
It's for you.
In pageantry or
For yourself.
in general?
To improve mental and
Mm.
physical.
Akala ko before medyo I got my ducks in a row na eh. Pero when I met my partner now, nagulo niya yung buhay ko.
In a good way.
In such a way na parang challenge niya ako as a person.
That's nice.
Na-expand. It was hard.
Mm-mm.
Kasi parang ang dami ko palang iniwasan in life before because I wanted less problems.
Less
Parang
stress.
siguro you become less confrontational in a way.
Mm-mm.
Parang instead of dealing with it, I'll drop it.
Yeah.
Ganon.
Iwasan na lang.
Oo. Tapos there are things that
Same.
you don't fight for anymore.
Oo.
Kasi you choose peace.
Right.
You would rather be kind than be right.
Right.
Ayan na, ito na yung mga learnings ng
Oo,
30s.
oo.
Pero, he taught me na there are things worth fighting for that we have to fight for.
Example.
Siguro, yung mga things that we want in life, in yung career, parang we don't just wait for it to happen. You have to make it happen.
Right.
Lalo na siguro sa atin as pageant girls before na, ito na yung peak.
And
Diba?
until now, we're still in that, nasa industry pa rin tayo. Kasi si Nicole now is a director din ng isang international
Pageant director,
Wow.
yeah. Oo, hindi
So-
ako directly, no?
Hindi ganon. I mean,
Okay.
pageant director.
Okay.
So, medyo involved pa rin kami in a sense na nandun na kami sa likod.
And
We
the fact that
oversee.
we always host Binibini for how many years,
Oo.
diba?
At
Parang we're
para
still
tayo
there.
na.
Alam mo,
Yes,
Yes,
July.
guys.
Hello.
Alam, favorite ko, aliw ko pag kayo nag-host. Ako,
Yung mga memes.
Marihan.
Yes. As in, sobra. Like, like kapag kayo ng host. Pero anyway, sabi mo nga, nag-challenge ka. And can you say na may growth then for you?
Super growth. Lalo na kasi it came at a time in my life na, yun nga, peak yung pageantry, career.
Yeah.
Tapos after nun, yung next is settling down. So
Yeah.
parang my head, nandun yung blueprint ng life ko. When it didn't happen, at the timeline that I wanted it to happen, it was hard to veer away from that.
Right.
Na I need to redraft my life. Kasi parang, alam mo yun, you were so ready to be a mom.
Yeah.
Settle
Diba?
down.
Oo, to have a permanent partner in life. Na parang, oy, chill muna ako dito. Ikaw muna kumayo dyan. Kasi medyo ang dami kong pinagdaanan na. Diba? Akala
Carry
ko
the
magiging
package.
princess na ako.
Carry the package.
Yeah. And then, I met my partner and then, talagang he pushed me into my second awakening, I guess. Nabalik yung grit ko. Nag-open up talaga my mind, my heart to like creativity. So, yeah, parang I needed that person in my life to push me. And siguro, parang instead of mag-chill nga ako and choosing peace, parang sige, paglaban pa natin tong bigger dreams that we have. Like now, I get to I'm so inspired to dream again.
Aww.
That's nice.
Kasi for the longest time, di ba, parang akala ko nga yung
Medyo okay ka
inspiration
na.
date ko sa
Yeah.
I was
industriya
gonna say,
natin is like 3 years.
Yeah,
I was
yeah,
so
yeah.
ready to accept it na parang,
Right.
di ba, mga beauty queens,
Oo.
MJ, alam mo
And
yan.
every
Like,
year kasi may bago. Lalo na
Oo,
ngayon, ang dami-dami ng
ang dami.
pageants.
Ang gaganda
Yeah.
nila.
Saka hindi
Yes.
lahat pinagpapala ng projects.
Oo.
So ako na parang never naman ako naging Miss Universe, naging big star. Parang, ay, kinukuha pa nila ako. Di ba?
Yes.
Oy, may work pa ako.
They see me.
They still want me.
Oo.
Yeah. So, parang, okay, now I got that. I think I still have fight left in me. Ganun feeling in my 30s. So when I hit 33, 34, I feel so liberated. Kasi na-realize ko rin na I worked so hard to reach this point in my life na I should be able to enjoy it, na even with the challenges, yung challenges kailangan ma-enjoy ko rin siya kasi I was blessed with so much na I have so much safety net na tinahi ko by myself, binurda ko when I was
Wow.
in my 20s na wala ako nun before. Wala tayo nun
Yeah.
before.
Right.
'Di ba? Na parang gutom lang meron natin dati.
Oo.
Pero now,
Literal na gutom.
Gutom.
literal,
Yeah.
literal na
Budget
parang
na
hindi
budget.
ako
Oo.
makabili ng KFC
Tama.
kasi
Tama.
yung
Oo.
allowance ko
Oo.
how
Hindi
much
na,
lang.
Siomay lang tayo dyan sa tabi.
Oo.
Okay.
Pero now, 'di ba, parang anong excuse natin to not dream of a bigger life and take bigger risks?
Ako, sobrang gusto ko yung pag-pivot mo nga na parang hindi lang pala pageant pero there's something else. At what point nga na parang, ay, okay, I can try social media, I can try yung podcast. You have a podcast and, you know, your creativity, yung hilig mo sa books. At what point na parang, go ko na to? Like, how do you start na mag-go na to?
I think I always just did. Pero it was also my partner who pushed me then to like do really well and execute it well.
Do your best never.
Oo. And actually really go out of myself. Kasi I felt like, no, hanggang dito lang yung kaya ko. Parang I'm too old for social media.
Right.
I'm too
Cringe.
private.
Right.
Ganon, like, I don't wanna share a lot of my...
Ang
Parang we
hirap.
share a lot,
Ang
pero
hirap.
not personal stuff.
Ako rin, same. It's so hard for me. Kaya nga sabi ko
Oo.
talaga, hirap maging vlogger. Hindi ko kaya.
Yeah.
My personal space is my haven.
That's true.
I feel like, ang daming intruders pag
Yeah.
shinare ko siya online.
Pero the good thing also is, ngayon, nag-shift na yung social media from like, becoming fanatics of people and yung
personal life.
mga haul. Ano yung mga luxury haul? Di ba laging
yes.
ganon?
Okay, yeah.
Yung mga consumption, overconsumption.
Oo.
Now, it's
Hindi na
lifestyle,
masyado.
Yes.
well-being.
Health, wellness.
So, nandun ako, like, it's my
It's so
time
you,
to
yeah,
like,
yeah,
yeah.
So, I
To
feel
post.
like what I'm getting with all your kwento, para siyang right person at the perfect time in your life. Would you say that there's also a right person in a wrong time?
Yes.
Na parang perfect sana siya kaso I was just
Yes.
not.
Time.
Yes, very much so. Very much so. I think God puts people in your life for certain seasons. It doesn't mean
Ganda.
that if it doesn't work out, it was wrong.
Correct.
It's just that, you need to step into your next season and it just looks too different.
Mm-mm.
And it demands so many different, a different skill set, different emotional palette,
yeah.
Yeah.
different mental fortitude. Tapos sometimes magdadigress na kayo. Pero it doesn't mean na at that point, 'di ba? Parang
He was not the right
it was
person.
not.
Yeah.
Yeah, like sabi niya sa friendship, hindi niya na-expect na magkaka-best friend pa siya in her 30s.
Yeah.
Diba?
What do you think men still doesn't understand about women in their 30s?
Oh.
Ikaw, meron pa ba?
Men.
Ang dami ba nilang hindi
Hindi
naiintindihan
mo
sa
naman
atin?
date. So, isa lang naman yung men.
Kaya nga,
I
tingin
think
mo
you
ba
have a
meron pa
better
siyang-
coverage of
Oo nga
that.
tingin mo ba may
Oo.
hindi pa siya naiintindihan sa'yo in your 30s?
Close kami.
I love that.
Close kami.
Besties.
That's nice.
Oh,
Close
that's
kami.
good.
I feel like I think yung strength namin as a couple is that truly feel safe na I can say my deepest thoughts na
Oo.
kahit mali, alam ko, sasabihin ko sa kanya. Hindi yung mean to
Oo,
or
tama
pero like,
naman. You
yung-
can
yung-
bear
yung
your thoughts.
thinking
Oo,
na-
na safe space mo
oo,
siya.
na parang, parang yun, parang safe ako na
Oo.
alam kong tanggap niya ako. Hindi ako judge, hindi niya ako iiwan. Kasi parang kapag bago pa lang kayo, may fear ka na, iiwan ba ako nito? Ganon.
How
So,
about
I guess
you,
wala
Nix?
na ganon. Ikaw.
I think the question should be what men still don't get.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because I feel like, diba, women, we know what we want na.
At this age, especially
In your
yun nga,
30s, oo.
30s.
Oo, feeling ko we always knew what we want when we were like teenagers pa lang eh.
Mm-mm.
Hindi man ganun kalinaw nun, pero it was
Meron
already
na.
Nandyan na.
there.
Oo.
If may something that I wish men could figure out at any point in their lives, siguro it's life is a lifetime project.
Mm.
Kasi I think I was reading this book. It's called Writers and Lovers by Lily King. And may sinabi doon na chapter na parang men have always has this certain kind of sadness of things that they were not able to achieve, they were not able to become, because it was always instilled in them that they were destined for greatness.
Mm-mm.
And sabi niya, but I've met so many amazing women, but none of them ever told me that they were meant to be great.
Right.
I feel like we just are.
Yeah.
And I think we just are because we know what we want.
Mm-mm.
Tapos sabi niya, and I think my father always carried this certain level of sadness within himself. Na parang there's always this unfinished project, something they had to let go in their life.
To sacrifice.
Yeah, and I feel like as women, yun yung power natin na we're so vast
Yeah.
in terms of emotions and our mentality na we don't, na parang feeling natin life has so much to offer to us na imagine tayo yung blessed ni God to
Bear children.
yeah, like
Yeah.
kung hindi man yun, kung ma-let go ko man yung career ko, I'm able to make life.
Yes.
Alam mo yun, like na-realize ko
Exactly.
lang to actually a few days ago din.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Yeah, when you let go of the things that
Yeah.
hold you down, like I was
Yeah.
so
Ang daming life realization.
I was so jailed by anxiety for how many years.
Mm.
But the moment I started letting go, parang nakita ko talaga sobra everything positive
Right.
about yung mga extra blessings that were bestowed upon us as women.
Mm-mm.
Yes.
Yun, na
Pero
parang
like,
we have so many
napo-foresee,
roles to
yeah.
fulfill.
Yeah.
Losing one doesn't feel like such a heartbreak.
Tama.
Pero like, gets ko yung parang may burden yung men to be great. Pero dahil ba, as women, we're taught to learn how to sacrifice din. Mas masakripisyo ba tayo? Do you agree?
I keep thinking about that.
Diba?
din.
Kaya tayong parang ganun lang kasi parang tinuruan tayo to be like, tayo dapat
Gaganon tayo so they can be
Pero
great.
we don't also settle. I don't
Oo
feel like
nga
I
eh.
settled din.
And nag-evolve na
Oo.
talaga ang kababaihan.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and
In
even
this time and
though
age.
nag-sacrifice tayo, our sacrifice saves a lot.
Yeah.
It saves
Yeah.
marriages. It saves families.
Yeah.
Diba? So parang, I don't know, in that alone, I feel like women are so great.
Yes.
Diba?
We nurture everything.
Mm.
Yeah, like
We nurture
I
everyone's
don't
dreams.
know how the world will function
Without
without the
us.
sacrifices of women.
True.
Grabe. Like, think of the sacrifices your
Yeah.
grandmother has made, your mom. Diba?
Naiyak na.
I'm
Kasi
proud
it's
of
so
you.
incredible talaga.
Yeah.
Kasi
I
like
can't
for my
imagine.
career, I had to sacrifice
So
volleyball player. So if I'm
much,
pregnant,
yeah.
Mm.
I don't have a career. I can't play. So parang, gets ko na.
Yeah.
Ano pa yung mga gusto mong ma-achieve in life? Kasi dahil ang dami mo nang nag-let
Oo
go ka
nga.
ng anxiety,
Parang
ang dami
yeah.
mong realizations, the right person is there to push you and dream bigger. ano pa ba? In your mid-30s, moving forward.
In my mid-30s,
Hindi ka pa naman
moving
mid. Ano pa naman
forward.
siya?
Almost.
Almost there.
Pero hello, if I'm gonna be like MJ
I know.
na latter part of my 30s,
Yeah.
like, wow, I'm looking forward to it.
Ano pa mga
Diba?
gusto mo?
Pero yung mga gusto ko pa is yung magka-businesses ako. Pero yung beautiful part about it now is I think yung heart ko is in the place na I'm doing it for myself and not to earn the approval of other
Validation.
people.
Tama.
Kasi I was also in that space before na parang I keep having to earn my worth, my place in people's lives. Pero now it's like, yeah, I'm just gonna do it. Ano pa ba? I wanna be a mom.
Same.
Yeah, I really
rin,
want to
gusto
be
ko.
a mom. And nandun din ako sa space na siguro kahit na wala akong husband, I can be a mom.
Oh my
Ganon.
God. Same!
Oo. Kasi parang,
Why do you wanna be like, you know, I think it's time for like sa tingin mo time
Siguro
na ba?
it hits you
I
lang
let go
talaga.
na nga of the
Oo.
timeline. Pero dati pa gusto ko na talaga maging mom. Pero kasi ngayon, parang, do I keep waiting for someone to like, for my life to fall into place?
Right.
Parang there's that possibility na,
Kaya naman.
yeah.
And I think, lamang na yung nurturing side mo naman. Kasi for the longest time, rah ka eh. Parang now,
And parang financially, we've earned it
Right.
na. Tapos parang, I think I want the responsibility na rin. So, that's something I'm not saying that I'm gonna get myself pregnant anytime soon.
yeah.
Pero like,
it's in the cards.
lang na
ideas are
naiisip
there.
ko yun.
Yeah.
Ikaw ba, naiisip mo rin yun,
Oo
Mars?
naman.
Diba?
As in to the point na nag-check na ako.
Oo.
Kasi we can.
Yeah.
You know, and sobrang mindset ko kasi since I stepped into my 30s, hindi ko na wini-wish na to get married, yung ganun. Basta I just know that I wanted to be a mom. And that I can. With a certain, money in the bank.
Oo.
Na I was looking for options. Na ganun. Na maganda rin pag-usapan natin minsan dito yan. Kasi there are options for that. For busy women.
Yeah.
Yung mga babaeng sobrang nalulung na lang talaga sa career and then one day they woke up and they're like, oh wow, I want to be a mom.
Yeah.
And they're, because of science now, it's possible. And
I would say, it's not even because of yung career eh. Alam mo yun, na parang, I'm too busy kasi, kaya ano. It's more of parang waiting for the right guy
Yes.
and
and it's
everything
so
to
hard
fall
to
into
open up
place.
every time, no? Na parang, are you in the position of your life now that you're ready to have a kid? Yung parang ang demanding mo naman.
Oo.
I think
To
ang
ask
topic
that
kapag
from
sa
them.
yung
Oo.
relationship na
Oo.
gusto ko na magkaanak ka, parang feeling ko mapapressure lang.
Tama,
Diba?
diba?
That's true.
Oo.
Like, how do you date in the middle of your 30s?
Correct.
Tapos parang yung una mong iisipin is,
Gusto ko na mag-baby.
Okay ba siyang father?
is this going towards marriage?
Yeah.
Na, ganun na parang,
Pressure mo na agad.
I don't know if, I'm still, kasi nga therapizing myself. Pero like, diba, is it something na I would want to go back to if ever? Na for the longest time, na anxiety ako na, saan na tayo papunta?
Yeah.
And this guy, boyfriend ko na siya noon,
Yeah.
diba? So parang gusto ko pa bumalik sa pressure
ganun.
na yun. Tapos when I date someone, parang yun
Yun na sa mind mo.
Oo. Parang it's unfair for the guy. Pero,
But it's so
I don't
nice
know.
to hear na
So,
you guys like, sobrang iba kasi. Like ako
Yeah.
nauna kasi yung ako eh. So parang,
yes.
I don't know what to say na parang dadarating rin yan. Pero like, I think, tama nga si Nicole na you have to, it's hard to find the right person. Kasi yung mga kasama mo you're gonna raise a family together.
yeah.
You're gonna, whatever yung partner mo, yung ugali, yung childhood, mag-blend na yun sa family mo
Everything.
Diba?
Oh.
But I like na you guys want to be moms.
Oo
It's so
naman.
nice. Like,
And I also know a lot of friends din na okay na sila kahit walang childless life. Okay na rin sila and that's
Talaga.
fine as well. Kasi iba-iba naman talaga tayo ng, ng mga realization and wants.
May
in life.
nakita ako reel recently. So, at this point, you guys, napaghalataan nyo na I've been on social media a lot.
masyadong active ah.
Oo, pero kasi natutuwa ako sa algorithm ko now.
Love
since
it. Love
share
that
ko
for
rin yung
you.
algo mo.
Kasi parang kung proactive ka talaga, if you know how to use social media, makikurate i-rate mo talaga kung anong
chronically online na
yung
talaga.
healthy for you. Anyway, nakita ko na for the first time ever down, and I have to find this study. For the first time
Okay.
ever, women are marrying for love.
Oh.
That is, I mean, a generation of women. Na yun
Yeah.
talaga yung reason na
Yeah.
not a lot of women are marrying for financial capacity, for economic standing. Yung ganon,
Yeah.
diba? Unlike before. So
Yeah.
parang, for the first time ever, there's so much lonely men. Kasi ang taas na standard ng women.
Right.
If I don't get this amount or degree of love, why would I bother?
Man,
I'm
right.
so happy on my own. I
Right.
can provide for myself. So you better be damn awesome if you're gonna intervene sa life ko at i-accommodate kita sa schedule ko. Diba?
I love that for all the women who knows their worth.
Yeah, for real. And
So-
isn't that just so liberating?
Yeah. So can you
Right.
say at your 30s, like, parang andyan ka na and ready ka na
na
Ready
mag-baby?
ka na. Pero like sabi mo, you better be worth my time. Pero
Mhm.
napansin ko nga sa mga age natin na parang, yun nga, mas natuto na tayong mga women to take care of ourselves.
To establish boundaries.
Yeah, and like financially, mas capable na tayo. So,
Mm-mm.
paano naman sa mga women dyan na nandun pa 30s pa lang? What's your advice?
Really take your self-project seriously. Kaya, recently nga in my podcast with Kat, ang dami palang single women, sobra. Tapos they
Sobra.
never really got to speak about yung quiet insecurity nga of not being chosen, still being single, no boyfriend since birth. Pero pagka nakipag-break ka pala at your 30s, ibang level of freedom siya. Kasi nung 20s ka, which is in-advise ko rin nga na it's better to get into relationships pagka mid to late 20s ka na. Kasi kung bata ka pa, parang kung nawala tong tao sa buhay ko, I'm so lost.
Super.
And
Parang end
hindi
of
ko
the
pa-
world na.
Yeah.
That was my first breakup. Yung parang, anong gagawin ko?
Oo, tas you're so dependent on this
Yeah.
person pala, which is hindi maiwasan na. In my
Right.
30s, I'm still very dependent. Like, this person makes up a lot of who I am. Builds a lot of who I am. Pero, at least, ngayon, sure ako sa sarili ko eh. Sure
Yeah.
ako kung sino ako, nakilala ko na sarili ko. So, ibang level talaga ibang season talaga ang 30s.
Yes.
Yeah. Grabe yung anchor natin sa sarili natin. Kaya, dun din ako na parang, I'm not gonna waste any more years on worrying. Kasi, parang, ang dami kong pwedeng maging happy about. Ang dami ko nang na-accomplish na I won't let my vision be fogged up and clouded with things that have not even happened yet. Diba? Or things that never happened also, na parang regrets, mga ganon. Pero, you know what? Yung right now,
Self-invest.
let's just, take
Yeah.
charge of our lives, do what we want to do.
Ang laking
Healthy.
bagay ng right partner.
Yeah.
Ang laking bagay ng right partner in the right season talaga. Oo. So he pushed me to be healthy, be proactive, he taught me how to see health, yung talagang sport as a sport talaga, like the technicalities of it. Kasi ako pa-cute lang talaga ako eh. Like,
Basta maka-workout lang tayo ng pageant.
Wellness.
But you
Oo.
compete na rin, di ba? You
Oo.
compete, nagko-compete ka pickleball, nakita ko.
every now and then.
Yeah.
Ngayon hindi na ulit kasi it's heartbreaking. Pero I'm gonna run my 21K.
Oh,
soon.
Nice!
So my
Is that
half
half marathon?
Yeah,
Yes, that's
half
half.
Mary. So, let's see. Yun. Pero I got into running because, yung busy schedule lang talaga. Oo. So it was the only sport na you can be
Kaya.
done by 7 a.m.
Right.
Na you
You
can
can
do alone
accommodate.
also.
So what time do you wake up? Pag ganun.
5?
Depende. Pero
5
4:30, depende.
But then naman kasi ang millennials, di ba, we're the party people. Gising tayo buong gabi.
Tapos trabaho agad.
Oo, kinabukasan wala nang chance para mag-workout. So yung workout in the middle of the day, ganun ako dati, workout
Talaga.
midday ako eh.
Wait, speaking of party, pumaparty ka pa ba?
Never. Oh
Hindi
my
ka party
gosh.
girl.
Never.
Okay.
Siguro super bihira talaga. Pero I'll be so happy if I'm in bed by 9:30. If I can
Di ka
read
puyat,
my
girl. Di mo
book.
kaya magpuyat.
Kaya ko magpuyat for anything else,
Yeah.
not partying. And
Yeah.
yung rare moments
Pag
pa na yun is
work,
kung
oo.
nectar.
Nectar!
Nectar. Wala na.
Wala nang
Okay.
nectar.
Yeah.
Pero kung ano, like kunwari birthday tapos bar club,
Okay
Game
na.
ka
exit na
doon.
rin ako ng 10.
Exit ka
kaya.
na. Nag-French exit ka na.
Yes.
Mm.
Hindi talaga, it's
Okay.
not my thing.
So,
Tulog
morning
ko.
person talaga si Nico.
Not necessarily naman. Di lang party
Gusto mo
person.
lang
Morning
ganun
person.
na.
Okay.
Lola lang talaga.
Oo.
Wala.
Gusto mo pa ipahinga na ng 9:30,
Yeah.
10.
I just wanna read my book.
Love that for you.
Yeah.
Nag-share nga kami ng books eh.
Oo,
And like,
nag-swap kami ni
Oo.
Phil.
Saan kayo nagpe-pickleball?
kung saan saan.
Here.
Alam mo kasi yung
Around.
sa pickleball, kahit saan ka maaabot, aabot ka ng QC.
Oh, sobrang dami ng
As in,
pickleball
like,
courts
very
ngayon.
social.
no?
Pero
Oo.
last time we were in Rockwell.
Naku, hindi ko na
Yun
maalala.
yun.
Di ba? Ang dami ko na nalaro.
I love this era. My social media is full of running clubs, pickleball communities,
Oh.
Yeah.
tennis.
I think for us millennials, yung mga 30s, we have more time, we have more freedom na kaya natin sabi mo nga, ganyan-ganyan.
Oo.
Na ang daming activities, ang daming mga skills and friends na magigain. So-
Very community-centric na rin kasi nowadays.
Oo. Sabi nila dati, pick your battle ngayon. Pupuntahan natin lahat ng battle.
Totoo. Mandirigma po kami in our 30s.
Lalabanan namin.
Oo. Mas palaban na kami ngayon ni MJ than when we were in our pageant era.
Oh my God, speaking of pageant era, meron ka bang gustong sabihin kay Nicole when she was 25?
Good job, girl! No, but really, I think I should have just appreciated myself a lot more that time.
We were too hard.
We were so hard on ourselves.
Masyado tayong harsh sa sarili natin.
Golden years
Na-realize ko.
kasi din nun eh. Pero I
Oo.
think even now, I think it's so bad din. Kasi like, ang perfect na mga girls
Mas
na nakikita
pressure.
ko. Tapos ang daming comments na
Correct.
parang,
hindi pa rin enough sa kanila.
hindi pa rin enough. Tapos parang siguro winatered down ko rin yung achievements ko a lot.
Mm-mm.
Tapos now na nagkaka-new friends ako, and may mga friends din ako na Gen Z,
Mm-mm.
na tail end not the almost millennial,
Okay.
ganun ka Gen Z. Tapos parang, they were asking me like, Nicole, how were you able to buy your own house? Yung mga ganon. Kasi they were really curious. Kasi graduate pa lang sila ng college.
Wait, you bought na your own
Oh.
house?
Yeah, before pa.
Ay, wow.
When I was like 24, 25, kasi I
At
was
that
working
young
3 jobs.
age.
Ito na nga. So, bumalik nga ako noon na parang shocks. Yun yung time na nagmamanila bulletin ako sa
Correct.
office,
Mm-mm.
na nag-showtime ako at mag-hosting ako.
Mm-mm.
So, Mars,
Grabe,
alam mo yung ganong
oo.
kayod natin noon.
Minsan
So-
nga ako dati, 7 a.m. nagdadrive ako, umiiyak ako. Bakit ko ba ito ginagawa?
Saan po ba yung anak ko? Ilan pang pamilya ko? Iba-ibang tatay?
True yan.
Minsan ganun,
Oo.
pero so, nung rini-recount ko sa kanila kung ano yung naging path ko na parang, girl, kinita ko talaga bawat sentimo neto.
Mm.
Na-realize ko, shucks, ang dami ko palang nagawa sa buhay ko. No? Tapos yung, sabi nila, ikaw yung judge nun sa
Right.
Showtime. Na
Mm.
parang, nung time na yun, I was like, okay, nice, opportunities. I'm
Right.
so blessed. Ganun.
Mm.
Pero looking back, parang, damn, girl, you were amazing.
Right.
Nagawa mo yun? Ang tapang mo.
Oo.
So that's my message to my 25-year-old self.
Aww.
I'm gonna appreciate you more.
Wow.
Healing my
Healing.
30s.
Kailangan natin
Yeah.
yun.
Oo nga.
As in, audience impact 10% buong buo sa'yo, girl.
Aww.
Ginalingan mo talaga nun.
Hey, you. Yes, you. Trying to survive your 30s without losing your mind? This is Trentitas, your modern hangout for real talk, laughs, and figuring out life one episode at a time. From career chaos and friendship drama to love, growth, and the occasional existential crisis, we've got you covered. Plug in, hang out, and let's figure out life together. Because nobody really knows what they're doing. And that's okay. Follow and subscribe to Trentitas on Spotify, YouTube, and Apple Podcasts. Catch highlights on all social media platforms.
What should people stop doing before they turn 30?
Second guessing yourself.
Mm.
If it's something that you really want, if it bothers you, it's something you're sure of eh. So, I'm here to tell you that you are a non-negotiable part of people's lives. You should always be the first one talaga on their list. You should never make yourself smaller for anyone or for any situation. Huwag mong i-allow na mabawasan yung pagkatao mo. That's something you should never negotiate with yourself, especially before you step into your 30s. Because even though it's painful to turn things down, to cut off things, people in your 20s, because you won't allow them to overstep your boundaries like that. You won't allow them to make you less of a person. You're gonna live a much fuller life in your 30s because of that. And you are going to thank your 20-year-old self because of that.
Masarap na advice na yun. Parang nakalma ako doon. Ikaw, pareho na natin.
For me, allow yourself to experience the highs and the lows. It's okay to make mistakes. Failures are okay. Kasi parang nakikita natin sa social media, it's a perfect life of everyone that you're comparing to. And you're looking at your life with this judgment na, grabe, ang dami na nilang na-achieve. Ganito lang ako. So, masyado mo nang binababa yung sarili mo from the get-go. So, it's okay to experience all of that.
Yeah.
And little by little, yung lahat ng mga little accomplishments na yun, mabubuo yun. And then one day you're gonna wake up in your 30s and you're like, wow.
Yun nga.
Malayo pa, pero malayo na.
Mas ako, learn to do when you're in 30s. Na marunong ka na mag-set ng boundaries mo. Kasi alam mo na yung gusto mo. Alam mo na what works, what doesn't work. Diba? Na parang, at your 30s, I feel like dapat, hindi naman dapat, pero like mas sure ka na sa sarili mo. Mas kilala mo na sa sarili mo. Ginawa mo na lahat ng cringe moment mo ng mga 20s, lahat ng mga regrets mo. Kaya 30s is a time to get to know yourself again. Explore who you are now at your 30s.
Actually, nagko-compliment yung mga natin advice. Kasi parang you embrace the highs and the lows, a lot of lows.
Yes.
ng 20s mo,
Yeah.
para mas sure ka sa 30s.
I love that.
Yeah.
And thank you
Thank
so
you,
much, Maring Nicole.
Thank you for
Invite
having
mo ang
me.
mga kagoodies natin sa mga saan ka namin naabangan, saan ka namin papanoorin.
Two Steps Back podcast.
Yes.
Yeah, we keep releasing episodes. Kung hindi ako busy.
Correct.
Ako din kasi nag-edit.
I love that
Yeah,
for
pero
you.
we have so much more conversations and I'm so glad you have your own podcast na rin kasi there's so much space, there's so much topics to really take on,
Yeah.
diba? Na pag-usapan dapat. So, yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for being
Thank
with
you,
us.
everyone. Thank you for the
Yay.
conversation.
And that's another conversation on Trentitas, the podcast where we figure out life in our 30s. If today's episode made you think, laugh, or question your life choices just a little, then we're doing something right. Remember, you don't need to have everything together in your 30s. Let's learn, grow, and embrace the chaos along the way. Thanks for hanging out with us. Follow and subscribe to Trentitas on Spotify, YouTube, and Apple Podcasts. Catch highlights on all social media platforms.